Welcome to TECHi. Today, TECHi brings you Samsung's biggest foldable upgrade yet, the Galaxy 3 multi-fold smartphone, also called the Galaxy 5Z triple fold. Samsung is making a major strategic push in a foldable market that's still small but rapidly growing. The new TriFold costs 3.59 million won, about $2,440, and features a large 10-inch display, roughly 25% bigger than the Galaxy Fold 7. Its triple fold design aims to push the limits of what foldables can do. The phone includes 3 foldable screens and Samsung's largest flagship battery, which charges up to 50% in just 30 minutes. Samsung's Executive Vice President Alex Lim says the TriFold is built for users seeking cutting-edge innovation that can eventually scale to the mass market. The device launches first in South Korea on December 12, 2025, then rolls out to China, Singapore, Taiwan, the UAE, and later the United States in early 2026. Samsung holds a dominant 64% share of the foldable segment, up 9% from last quarter, but foldables still represent less than 2% of all smartphones sold this year. Research from Counterpoint predicts the market will reach 3% by 2027, growing around 30%, helped by Apple preparing its own foldables. However, analysts warn of durability concerns. According to Ru Young Ho from NH Investment Securities, the device could face durability issues as a first-generation product, making market reception a key factor. Competition from Huawei and future Apple foldables will pressure Samsung while also pushing innovation forward. But high component costs and premium pricing still limit mass adoption. If the foldable category continues growing over the next 2 years, the Galaxy TriFold could become a major accelerator, helping expand this niche into a stronger global segment. Thanks for watching. Tap like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so TECHi keeps showing up in your feed.